So hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we are gonna learn something about the file handling in Python. So file handling basically means to how we can create files and how we can edit or how we can manipulate the data in a file. Okay, so basically file handling is an important part in any of the application. Okay, so let's dive right into it. This is my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so there are, firstly I want to tell that file handling has some of the methods. Okay, like there is R we used for reading any of the files that exist. Okay, if the file does not exist, it will give a error. Okay, A is used to append a file. Okay, it basically used for creating a file also. Okay, and we use W for writing a file. Okay, opening a file, writing a file, and it also creates a file if it does not exist. Okay, we use X is used to create a file. Okay, and return an error if file already exists. Okay, there are two more methods, that is T is used for text, that is the data that will be given, it will be in a text mode. Or we use B. This B is used when the data is given in binary mode, such as images or anything else. Okay, so let's dive right into it. How we can open a file. Okay, so let me just give it for opening a file we have a keyword open. Okay, we give a object like F is equal to open, and I will give a file name. Let me check which file I have. Let us take that this is my file.txt. You can see that this is a file.txt. so let me give it my file.txt. okay, and just run it. See, it gives no error. It means the file has been opened. Okay, so how we can read the file. Okay, so let's, for reading this file we have a keyword like for the I have to print this file and then give f dot read. Okay, now see the output comes in hey there every on this is an output. Okay, so let me see what's written in this file. See, the output is this. Okay, let's type something here like file handling using Python. Let me save it. Okay, and now let's run it again. Okay, see the output got changed, that file handling using Python. Okay, it means that the data we can just read a file using this keyword. Okay, so how we can now, let's start with another function like using the methods or anything else. Okay, so let me just write something in this file. Okay, so let me write like F for writing any file. Firstly I have to just give this file a append method. Okay, comma, we have to write A in single quotes, or we can use double quotes also, both will work fine. And now let's run it. So for writing any of the thing in this file we can just use f dot write. Okay, and for writing anything we have to just use a double quotes, and like this line is written using file handling. Okay, we can see that it's run without any error. So let us print again, print f dot read. File not opening in read mode. Sorry. Let us open the file in read mode. Open the my file dot txt comma double quotes r. Okay, now let us just print f dot read. This line is written using the file line. Okay, you can see that the output has been appended in this file. So let's see here also. You can see this here the output has changed. Okay, so let me cut it down. Let me just use this so that you can see the real-time changes. So let me again just add something here, like let us again open this file in read mode, like my file dot txt comma a, and now let me write like f dot write again file handling. Okay, you can see that there is nothing happens here, but the point we switched here, we see nothing. But let us go back and open it again, or we can directly see it from here, like run. We see that output has been added again, file handling using file handling. Okay, you can see that this always works. Okay, it means that the output we are getting using read is just reading that file, and this R used for the read mode and this A is used for append mode. Okay, so let us create a file. Okay, so let's move further. So we have seen that how we can create a file and how we can just read any file. So let us just see a last thing, that is the exception handling, which is the one of the most common thing that people ask is exception handling. So for creating for exception handling, we have try, except and final keyword or else keyword. Okay, so for that let us give try, and if something, and if error does not happen, then the thing written after try will be executed, like this: print no error. Okay, so and if error happens, print error. Okay, and then if either this happens or this happens, if we want to give it a final, like something happens, then print something. Okay, we can see that no error something. Okay, it means that this happens and this, and let us print, like we just give it a variable like x, and we don't have variable x defined here. Let's see what the output comes. Oh, I have just declared x above. Let us give it t. So we can see that it gives error and then nothing. It means that it comes in else part. Okay, so it means that, and for this if else, and we have a finally keyword, finally, and now let us it give us output error and then something it, because we don't have variable t defined, so the it comes to error, except here because we don't have anything it will come to error and then we'll do. So the error we are seeing all the above line we have seen till date, we can just remove that using this try and catch exception on finally also. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any of the problem in this, please just let me know and write down everything in the comment box and I will definitely get back to you. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share. And if you have any of the problems regarding Python, please comment it down. Thank you, have a nice day.